Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cheesy hash brown patties. Alright guys, I'm starting out in a large bowl here and I have a 26-ounce bag of frozen hash browns that I left thaw in the refrigerator. Piece of hash brown. I'm going to start by adding 2 eggs in here. And what this is going to do is going to help bind our hash brown patties together. Okay. Now I'm going to add in some pepper. I'm going to go for about a half a teaspoon of pepper. Dexter, what are you doing? He's all wound up today, guys. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon and a half, and I'm going to eyeball this, guys. Alright, I'm going to get in here with my spoon and break my eggs up and mix this around a little bit. You just want to blend it to get your eggs mixed in there good. Okay, now that I have my eggs blended in there pretty good, I'm going to add in a little bit of flour, guys. This will help bind it too. I'm going to go for probably half a cup of flour. You don't want to put too much in or you'll get that flour taste in and you won't be able to get it out as they cook. It won't come out. Dexter, I'm recording out here, buddy. What are you doing? Now I'm going to add in my cheese. I'm going to go for about a cup and a half of cheese. I'll keep an eye on this. This is shredded cheddar cheese, fine shredded. That's about a cup and a half, guys. And I'm just going to blend this in here good. And guys, these are really easy and they're going to be nice and cheesy and potatoey. And you could also have these for a breakfast side. They'd be good for that. I'm going to add a little more cheese in, guys. Because the more cheese you put in, the more better it's going to get. So I'm going to get a little more cheese. Oh, for about another half a cup. I'm just going to stir that all in there. These would also be good, guys, to make into patties and freeze, and then you could bring them out of the freezer and fry them as you need them. So if you make a big batch, you're not going to use them all, not to worry. Just make them into patties and freeze them. Okay, guys, now in my electric skillet, I have it set at about 350. I might turn that down a little bit as we go. I have some vegetable oil in here, enough to cover the bottom. I'm just going to get in here with my hands, and I'm going to form these. I'll show you here. Form them into patties. And we're going to get them in. We're going to fry them on each side for a few minutes till they're golden brown. And that'll help heat the hash brown potatoes through. So I'm going to go ahead and get them all in there and get them fried up, and then I'll bring it back. Alright guys, my hash browns are all nice and browned up. You see how golden brown they are. I was worried that they wouldn't stay together, but that cheese really helped bind them too. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some steak and green beans. Let me get in here and try these cheesy hash brown patties. Now I sprinkle a little salt on mine, guys, because I like my food with salt. That's optional. What, Dexter? You can see they held together good. They're crispy. Really good. Cheesy. Get that potato flavor. They're really good, guys, and they weren't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Cheesy hash brown patties. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.